Welcome to Equus Financial. This video is to show you the steps you need to take for a licensed agent to get up and going very quickly with us and get out and selling. So follow along and let's get you going. The next step is to get you access into equusfinancial.com. Within 24 to 48 hours from your initial contact with Equus Financial, you will receive an email from Equus Financial corporate office welcoming you to Equus Financial and attaching your Equus independent contractor agreement. In the middle of the email, there will be a URL or a clickable link that will allow you to access your independent contractor agreement. Once completed, you will receive access into the Equus Financial website. Just a side note, that as soon as you receive this email, please go ahead and sign it immediately. If you have not received your email within 48 hours, please check your spam first and then contact hr@psigroups.org. Once you have received your ICA and signed it, you will get your username and password in a separate email to give you access into equusfinancial.com. So the next step we need you to complete is your contracting profile. Just a quick disclaimer, you will receive additional emails requiring digital signatures for independent contracts for carriers. You will need to sign those and get them sent back immediately to get you in line for your contracting. But let's first start off by clicking the yellow link that appeared in your email saying contracting profile. Once you get into your contracting agreement, please complete it in its entirety. But we do want to show you a couple areas that will require additional information. First is your anti-money laundering training, AML training. If you've never been contracted before, please click American Amicable for your AML provider and follow the instructions on the next screen for American Amicable. If you have been contracted before, please click LIMRA and provide your LIMRA information. Also, EFT information. This must be your account. If you are using a business account, we will require additional documentation from the bank stating that this account belongs to you. Also, a lot of people commonly miss some information on the contracting profile. If you do, there will be a yellow box that appears at the top of the screen. Click that yellow box, and when you get into it, it will show you the information that you're missing by showing you the enter text box with the little red dot next to it. Just click the box that's next to the enter text and it will redirect you to the missing information. When you are done, you will be allowed to upload additional information like a voided check or additional documentation. Just a quick disclaimer, all contracts must have a voided check attached with the applicant's name on the check, or a bank letter stating the account belongs to the applicant. Also, if you have any check marks of yes on the contracting, you must upload any and all supporting documents. Please make sure you're honest with the carriers. They will run a background check, and honesty gets you further than concealing information. Next is the AML training information page. For you already previously contracted agents, we're going to go to limber.com and show you how to pull your information. For you never contracted before agents, we're going to show you how to go to American Amicable and get the AML training certificate. First, previously contracted agents. Go to limber.com, click on the member login, be redirected to the compliance training login. Then, if you already have logged in before, use your username and password. If you never have and this is your first time in Limbra, click on the Forgot Username and Password area. It will redirect you to the Forgot Username and Forgot Password and walk you through how to log in for your first time. For you non-contracted before agents, you need to do your American Amicable training. Click on the video that pops up on the screen now and be redirected to a tutorial that shows you how to do your AML training for American Amicable. The next step is to access training sites. The first training site we're going to go through is salestraining123.com, and then we're going to go through equusfinancial.com. Just a disclaimer, you will need a password to access both these sites. Once you go to salestraining123.com, you will be required to punch in a password. The password will show up momentarily on the screen. Once you're in the site, it will give you access to all these different tabs: phone script tabs, resources for agents, launchpad, weekly leaderboards. So make sure you get familiar with this training website. The access code for salestraining123.com is Keep It Simple, all lowercase 3 words. To access equusfinancial.com, you need to go to the My Account tab on the right hand side of the screen. Once you get into this point, it will require your username and password. Just a quick disclaimer, if you have not signed your independent contractor agreement yet, you will not be able to access this website, so make sure you sign your ICA immediately. Once you're in, it will give you access to all these different tabs. The first one we're going to point out is Launchpad, our training platform, which is an interactive training program. Then you'll have agent resources that you can access, and then also Equus events, which will allow you to access to see if there's any meetings in your area. So once you've signed your ICA, completed your contracting profile, contact hr@psigroups.org to get set up for a phone call with a manager to speak about leads and getting out in the field quickly. For more questions, email us or call us at the following information below. For quickest response, please email